I'm Mandy McDonald and I live in Hermantown, Minnesota. I own Rusty Patch Natives. I started the business 2021 and I grow and I sell plants for pollinators and habitat for other critters to try to restore the habitat for them that's been lost. Here we have a garden that I planted last summer. We have some anise hyssop here, or blue giant hyssop, one of the favorites for the bees. Behind that we have early sunflower. We have some switchgrass. This is great habitat for the birds in the winter, and they also like to eat the seeds. And it adds interest in the winter when everything else is dead. This is some beard tongue, and the bees and hummingbirds were really loving this the last month. It was one of their favorites. Okay, so this is another garden that I created last year, and this is my wet garden. So the soil here is very wet and heavy, and there are certain plants that like that, and this is one of them. This is blue vervain. This is one of my favorite plants. The bees love it right now. This is doing wonderful here because it likes that heavy, wet soil. This is another bee magnet. It's called fringe loosestrife. It's a native loosestrife. Some calico aster, not in bloom yet. Some orange coneflower, just about to bloom. And then this one right here is a really good pollinator plant again, and it likes the more moist soils also. This is Virginia mountain mint. And there's a few different mountain mints. This one gets a little taller, about like 3 feet. It's a really great spreading plant, and it's again great for the pollinators. So I had to add that here. I think it's really important now, as we're realizing how little habitat is left for wildlife and pollinators. I would encourage everybody to incorporate at least some native plants in their gardens, whether they're vegetable gardens or just non-native flower gardens.